In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate content in Rytr, language settings. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set Rytr to generate content in the language you want, so your writing flows naturally for your audience. First, start by logging into your Rytr account. Use your regular sign-in method and make sure you're on the main dashboard. If you're new to Rytr, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. It'll make the next steps feel effortless. Once you're in, look to the left-hand side of the screen for the sidebar. This is where Rytr groups most of your controls. Click on Settings. The settings area is your hub for personalization, and it's the right place to adjust how Rytr behaves by default. Inside Settings, locate the tab labeled Default Language. This tab controls the language Rytr uses for generating content across your projects. Open that tab, and you'll see a list or drop-down of available languages. Take a second to choose the one that best matches your needs. If you're writing for a specific region or audience, pick the variant that aligns with their expectations. The right choice here helps Rytr produce more natural, accurate results for your readers. After you've selected your language, don't forget to save. Look for the Save or Update button on the page and click it. Saving locks in your preference, so Rytr consistently applies it moving forward. If you see a confirmation message or a small success indicator, that's your signal that the change has been applied. If you don't, click Save again to be sure. From this point on, Rytr will default to your chosen language when creating content, which means you won't have to switch languages manually each time you start a new piece. This is a great way to keep your workflow focused and reduce any chance of mixing languages by accident. One important note, you can only change your default language once per calendar month. That means if you update it on any date in a given month, you'll need to wait until the next month to change it again. Plan ahead if you regularly serve audiences in different languages. Choose the language that will be most useful for the majority of your projects in the coming weeks. That's all there is to it. Log in, head to Settings, open the Default Language tab, pick your language, and save. With this set, Rytr will help you create content in the language that best serves your goals.